All right, guys, I got a 2025 Honda Trail Sport. I absolutely love the Big H, love the Trail Sport, love the 1-inch lift kit on it, the rims. I mean, they're just sweet. It comes with rails, but it does not come with bars. Now, I went to Honda and I asked them, hey, how much to put bars on my Pilot? For them to install them was going to be like $600. I thought, what? Well, how much are they if I just install them? And they wanted to charge me like $300 just for the 2 bars. There's only 4 bolts on each side that connect them. And so I've done my research. This is the closest thing to the OEM right now, what I have here. It is identical. Everyone gives these 5 stars. I'm going to go ahead and put these on, show you what they look like. These are actually, tell you the truth, they're much nicer, and I'll show you why they're nicer. Where Honda has a plastic piece, this you can feel is all metal. Now guys, again, see this piece right here? This is solid metal. The one that comes from Honda has a slice of metal here, and then this is all plastic. And again, the bars are your typical bars, but these are actually very heavy duty, and on the top they have a rubber like type of bushing going across it, so whatever you put on top of here, you know what I'm saying, you can feel this, you can kind of put your nail in this. This is really dense. Now inside of here, this is twice the thickness as other bars. This right here is made like a tank. They tell you, okay, front. Many people have returned their bars because they didn't realize the bars are different sizes for the front and the back. These people are really genius. They're telling you which one's in the front, which one's in the back. They're giving you all the parts, okay? They're showing you left. Again, you're not gonna find anything like this. You can get this for the 2017 through 2022 Honda Pilot, and you can also get it for the 2023 through 2027 Honda Pilot, okay? And so when you go in there, you gotta make sure that you're ordering the set for your Honda Pilot. It will fit the EXL, the Touring, the Sport, the Black Edition, but I'm telling you, nothing that Honda sells is equivalent to these bars. Nothing. These are the best. I've done tons of research, and I've read and I've read and I've read. Even look inside here, how it's molded. They've done such a good job. All right, guys, this is what you get in your kit. You're getting front bar, back bar, and you're getting 4 of these along with really, really decent instructions, okay? Along with all of the hardware. And friends, here's where you really tell if the bars are good. Look at the hardware, okay? Look at this right here. These are dense foams that you're gonna put between here, right here, and your car, okay? Oh, look at these. Look at that. Tools included. Everything you need is right there. I could not be more satisfied. Let me go ahead and put these on. And again, all you're doing is you're putting this on one side, this on the other. Guys, if you have one of these little tool kits, it's going to help you with a little ratchet wrench, and you put your Allen wrench in there. That way, when you're tightening these up and you're tightening it up on top of your car, you're not using this little wrench, which you can, but like today, it's 95 degrees where I'm at, and it sucks. So guys, when you look at these, it's going to show front. What that means is this is the way it needs to be pointing. If you look at your bar, this is the rear bar. There's an arrow. See the arrow? Okay, it's pointing forward. See this one over here? It says front, so it's pointing the front. So when I flip this over like this is going to be in the back, and it's pointing forward. And again, all you're doing initially here is you're just screwing these in. You're not tightening them down yet. You're just getting it because here's the thing, you're gonna allow you to adjust to the perfect width of your car. And the reason that is because when they're putting the roof rails on, sometimes they're not perfect. When you notice on your roof rails, there's all of these basically places where you screw down the roof rail. Sometimes those welds can be off a little bit. This allows you to adjust to the left and the right. And again, I worked on some rails on Pilots where the welds were so far over that, you know, if you didn't get this type of rail, you basically had to chop it with a hacksaw or something, which is ridiculous. So guys, right here, if you feel up here, you're gonna need a step ladder, okay? There's some plugs, okay? This is what they look like. They just actually pull out, and the reason they have that there is so you don't get water in there, but you just pull those out. You don't go through them. So guys, they give you a couple gaskets, and what that is so you know exactly where the bolt is going. And the reason you want that is you don't want it sliding back and forth. This is going to hold it precisely in place. I think it's absolutely genius. I've never seen any bars that have done this. And then you guys are familiar with this. This is going to go here, and it's going to be against your Honda Pilot rail. All right, guys, let me show you what we did. The foam, which is right here, okay, it goes in here. You probably already realize that, okay? Now, because this is metal, they don't want a small little hole, so they give you quite a bit of adjustment. This right here goes in here, right there, facing backwards. So if you, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I have that plastic piece there, and I have the plastic piece there. And so these two plastic pieces right here, they go on the inside right here, and then the bolt goes through this piece. All right, guys, I got the crossbar on, and I'm absolutely loving it. Again, this is metal and not plastic. After you put all the bolts through here, then you need to go back under here and tighten these two bolts up, okay? They're loose, so you can adjust it perfectly. If you have this type Allen socket, it's gonna help you tremendously. And again, you're just tightening this one and this one. They're right under here. All right, guys, so the first thing you're gonna do is put the foam right here, okay? Make sure that's on there, and then you're gonna take these out. These are in the bar. Now watch this very carefully. This says front. This sticker right here, it says front. This right here, it says front. So you have to make sure when you're doing it left and right that they're lining up. You're not gonna tighten these down right away. Okay, you're just getting them in there. You'll tighten them up after you have them hooked to the left and to the right of the rails. Again, if you have this Allen socket wrench, it's gonna save you a lot of time. I would suggest not using your drill, because if you strip this aluminum, you're gonna have a lot of problems. Okay, and then we're going on to the top, and again, what are we gonna do? Let me just show you here in the car. These, okay, are gonna go here on the inside and here, okay? They go here and here, and that's gonna keep it from moving left to right. You're gonna have them both equally on the sides, and the directions actually show you here. It shows you which way they go, okay? They're both going the same direction, but it's aligning this up right here so it's not gonna shift on you. That's what these spacers are for. So don't think, hey, I'm not gonna use the spacers. No, you actually want to. Guys, here are the bars. It's been a week since I put them up. I wanted to find out if there was gonna be any wind noise. There is not. Again, let me recap on these bars. This is solid aluminum. When you buy the OEM from Honda, this is plastic. On the bar itself, there is a rubber bushing going along the top. So if you have something that's metal, it's gonna sit on that rubber bushing. It's not going to scratch your bar or your kayak or whatever that is. Also, these are reinforced. Not kidding. You can see a close-up of the picture that I have. When I was doing this, I shined into this bar, and it's twice as thick as Honda's OEM. When you're looking in the side right through here, it's much, much thicker. I am thoroughly satisfied. I think it looks better than the Honda, and I have not seen anything, and I continue looking after I get these things sent to me. I haven't found anything that's equivalent to it. I just think it looks absolutely tough on there. I have Tiger sending me a roof rack compliments, and I got this the other day from Tiger. And I did a review on this, and I absolutely love this. Tiger is a good brand. They make good stuff. And again, this is just what they look like. Very, very happy. And again, no wind noise. The last pair I had, there was a little bit of wind, okay? I don't hear anything now. These are perfect for summer adventures. Again, I'm putting a basket on top of mine that's being sent to me from a company to review. You can put kayaks on top of these. You can put skis on top of these. You can put your bikes with attachments on top of these. As the tough factor goes, That's a solid 10. They're sick looking, man, and they fit the rails that come perfectly. I have no reason not to go camping. All right, peace to ya.